Hi, I'm Sharon. I'm here in the Prima booth and I want to show you our Redesign with Prima DIY line. Now, this is a brand new product called Stick and Style Stencil Roll. And this is like a stencil, but is way better, so we kicked it up a notch. Let me show you what's inside that box. So this is Calypso Lattice. It's a sticky roll. It's reusable. It is repositionable. You cut off what you need and you can use it on corners, on inside corners, rounded shapes, all kinds of different ways where you can't use a traditional stencil. Let me show you how we used it in our booth. Of course, it's for DIY, so you can use it on your wall. And that was used with chalk paste to create this really pretty effect. It's also used on glass, wood, metal. It sticks to anything, and this was used with wax to create that, and that wax will seal itself, and it's so pretty like that. Of course you can use it on DIY, but you can also do crafts with it. So on this one, that Calypso Lattice design was used with waxes on watercolor paper to make a tag. And on this sample, we put it along the side with chalk paste just to give a nice different finish. So you can use any art medium over these stick and style stencils. You can add them to any type of project, add your art medium on top, and you just pull it away and you get this really cool effect. Look at this, because it hugs the curves on the glass, and that's used with wax. And this one right here, just wrap the stick and style around, add your chalk paste, and I mean, it's so cool. Of course it works on flat surfaces too, but it especially works where a regular stencil doesn't. And you can peel it up and use it over and over again. And I found, just personally, it lasted about 7 to 10 uses, you know, before it lost its stickiness. And then you can just cut another piece and start again. So a lot of different projects with the stick and style. It comes in a variety of patterns, so look for it at Scrapbook.com.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2019 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is a life handmade.